Alright guys, I got this thing from Amazon, this American flag. So I'm gonna install this on my truck, 2020 Toyota Hilux. Alright guys, I got this from Amazon. I want to stick it into my door right here. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I do it. The first thing I do is I clean this up. Now that it's clean, I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna not line it up like that. Place it against the Hilux symbol, and then I'm gonna put the tape right here in the bottom. Okay, so when I press it against the Hilux symbol here, I put the tape, level it with the emblem about that space. So I'm good right there. Now I'm gonna put a tape on the right side. So what I did was I kept my hand on the emblem, and then I placed the tape on the right side. So I peeled the plastic just a little bit like that, and I'm gonna place it like so. I'm using that blue tape as my guide. So I need both hands, so hold on. So I pressed it here in the corner and the other corner. So it's not even really being held strong yet. But I'm double checking to make sure I'm all lined up. And if I like the way it looks right there, I'm use one hand to hold here and pull the tape on the bottom. So I got the tape pulled partially, and I double check to make sure it's lined up the way I like it to be. So I like the position, so I remove the tape completely. So now I'm gonna press right in the middle. And then I'm gonna wipe to the right and wipe to the left. That looks beautiful. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and peel this off. Look at that, that looks pretty. Then peel this off slowly, away from the sticker. And then here, same thing. Right. There you go. That looks pretty. Alright, so that's how it looks. Alright, so that's how it looks. So if you guys like my content, please give me a like and share it, and please subscribe. Alright, peace out. Alright, there's my Hilux, 2020 Hilux. Check this out, guys. Damn, that looks sharp. Look at that, man. Huh? I like it. All blacked out.